Our 2024 ROSA awardee in the field of communication management is a multi-awarded communicator and media strategist who introduced the various innovations to effectively communicate government's policies and programs to the Filipino people and international audiences. Our awardee hails from Santa Monica, where he was born with roots in both the towns of Burgos and General Luna. Both his parents are former government employees, with him and his siblings being products of the public school system. He completed his elementary grades at the Sapao Central Elementary School, his high school years at the Sapao National High School, both as class valedictorian and earning a degree in Bachelor in Broadcast Communication at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Orphan at the young age when his father, Isagani Arsena, died at the age of 40. Our awardee and his siblings were raised by a single mother, Angelique Lim Arsena. During the administration of President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, he was appointed as the Assistant Secretary for Global Affairs. Currently, he is the Public Relations Media Director of Huawei Philippines. To learn more of our awardee, may I invite everyone to watch this video presentation.
Ako si JV Arsena, 35 years old, Alumad, Surigao noon.
I am nothing without this place, Surigao del Norte. I was born and raised in the beautiful island of Siargao. Siargao is my home. My journey started with a kid who grew up in the town of Santa Monica or Sapao. But I also have roots in the towns of Burgos and General Luna. Lumaki po ako sa isang simpleng pamilya lamang. Both of my parents are former government employees, but my father died when I was still young. So we were raised by a single parent.
I can vividly remember how hard our situation back then. The challenges and struggles we faced motivated me to study and work harder, dream bigger, and never say never.
I am a proud product of public school system, from elementary to college.
Bata pa lang ako, I was already dreaming of becoming a journalist.
I joined and won school competitions, and I was chosen to lead in student council and organizations. I graduated as valedictorian in high school. After college, natupad po ang passion ko sa journalism. It's a dream come true. I worked as a broadcast journalist for TV5 and RMN for almost a decade, covering politics, calamities, high-profile current events, elections, and local and international crises.
This job put me at the center of history as it unfolded before my eyes.
There I met political and business leaders and people from different walks of life. I learned different cultures as I traveled around the world chasing stories. At dito ako hinubog ng panahon para maging handa sa lahat ng hamon.
Matatag, magaling, at matibay ang mga Bicolano.
In 2018, I left the media and I joined the U.S. Department of State as the media strategist of the Trump administration and the U.S. government in the Asia-Pacific region. In 2019, I was appointed as Assistant Secretary of the Presidential Communications for Global Media and Public Affairs. There, I introduced innovations in government communications. I created the first virtual presser in the country and other platforms to help connect the government to the international audiences.
Then, noong 2020, pumasok yung COVID-19 pandemic. That tested me as a Filipino, a public servant, and as a communicator. Napapatanong na lang ako, hanggang saan ba ang kaya kong ibigay para sa bayan?
Maingat ang proseso dito. Sa PNP
I had to risk my life just to inform the public about the government undertakings and response against the health crisis.
Hindi kayo pwedeng pumasok ng hindi naka-full PPE.
In 2021, a super typhoon devastated Siargao Island. After finding out the extent of the damage, I launched the Tindog Siargao campaign to raise funds, send relief goods, and connect the survivors to their relatives. My goal then was to help make kababayan survive and recover, no matter how, no matter what.
Ginawa ko ng parang Quiapo ang Manila hanggang Siargao. Aalis ng umaga at uuwi ng Maynila ng gabi para lamang makapaghatid ng tulong sa ating mga kababayan.
All my efforts were not unnoticed while in government. I received recognitions from local and international award-giving bodies.
I am also extremely pleased and humbled to accept the food gold.
And recently, I was nominated to the prestigious The Outstanding Young Men and Women of the Philippines or TOY-M Awards of the TOY-M Foundation, Jerry Ross Foundation, and Junior Chamber International.
I've been through a lot as a person, rise and fall, ups and downs. But I believe that my experience made me a better and a stronger person. Surigao is really a fighter and an achiever. Surigao is who I am.